Dogs, scientifically known as Canis lupus familiaris, are domesticated descendants of wolves. This domestication process began between 20,000 and 40,000 years ago, and over time, dogs have become one of humanity's closest companions. They've been bred for various purposes, including hunting, herding, guarding, and companionship, resulting in the wide variety of breeds we see today. Dogs are mammals with complex anatomical and physiological systems. Dogs have a flexible spine and a well-developed skeletal structure that allows for a range of motion and activities. Their muscles are adapted for running, jumping, and various forms of exercise. Dogs have a robust cardiovascular system that supports their active lifestyle. Efficient lungs and a strong diaphragm enable dogs to maintain high energy levels during physical activities. Dogs are omnivores, capable of digesting both animal and plant-based foods, though their diet should be balanced and appropriate for their species. Dogs have highly developed senses that surpass human capabilities in many ways. A dog's sense of smell is up to 100,000 times more sensitive than humans, making it their most important sense. Dogs can hear higher frequencies and sounds from much farther away than humans. While dogs see fewer colors than humans, they excel in detecting motion and seeing in low-light conditions. There are over 340 dog breeds recognized worldwide, each with unique characteristics and lifespans. Generally, smaller breeds tend to live longer than larger breeds. For example, Chihuahua can live up to 20 years, while Great Danes may only live around 8 to 10 years. Understanding the specific needs of your dog's breed is crucial in promoting their health and longevity. A balanced diet is the cornerstone of good health. Dogs require a mix of proteins, fats, carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals to thrive. Proteins are essential for growth and repair of tissues. Look for high-quality sources such as chicken, beef, lamb, and fish. Fats provide energy and support cell function. Ensure your dog gets healthy fats like omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. Carbohydrates provide energy and fiber. Opt for whole grains and vegetables. Vitamins and minerals are crucial for overall health. Ensure your dog's diet includes essential vitamins, a B, C, D, E, and K, and minerals like calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium. The quality of food you feed your dog matters significantly. Avoid generic meat byproducts, sugars, excess sodium, and unnecessary fillers. Look for whole ingredients and responsible sourcing practices. Dogs who eat less tend to live longer. According to a 2011 study, dogs raised on a restricted calorie diet, about 25% less than normal recommended amounts, lived an average of 2 years longer than those fed more. However, always consult a vet before making drastic changes to your dog's diet. Regular exercise is essential for your dog's physical and mental health. It helps maintain a healthy weight, strengthens muscles, improves cardiovascular health, and reduces stress. Aim for at least 30 minutes to an hour of walking each day. This varies depending on your dog's breed, age, and health condition. Engage in play activities like fetch, tug-of-war, and frisbee to keep your dog active and entertained. Consider agility training, hiking, or swimming for more active breeds. Mental stimulation is as important as physical exercise. A bored dog can become depressed, anxious, and even ill. Keeping your dog's mind active can extend their life and improve their happiness. Regular training sessions provide mental exercise and strengthen the bond between you and your dog. Interactive toys and puzzles can keep your dog occupied and mentally engaged. Regular interaction with other dogs and people helps reduce stress and improve overall well-being. Oral hygiene is often overlooked, but crucial for your dog's health. Poor dental care can lead to plaque, gingivitis, and periodontal disease, which can cause heart disease and organ damage. Brush your dog's teeth regularly with a dog-specific toothbrush and toothpaste. Provide safe chew toys and dental treats to help clean teeth. Have your vet check your dog's teeth during annual visits. Even if your dog appears healthy, regular veterinary checkups are essential. Wellness exams maintain optimal health and provide a record of your dog's health history, allowing potential problems to be detected early. You should visit the vet at least once a year for a general health check and twice a year as your dog enters old age to monitor and manage age-related issues. Dogs are social animals and thrive on interaction with other dogs and humans. Socialization helps reduce stress, improve mood, and enhance overall quality of life. Arrange regular playdates with other dogs. Enroll in training classes to provide structured socialization opportunities. It's never too late to teach an old dog new tricks. Continued learning and new experiences keep your dog's mind sharp and engaged. Strengthen obedience skills and introduce new commands. Try agility, lure, coursing, or nose work to provide physical and mental challenges. Use interactive games and enrichment activities to keep your dog entertained. A happy dog is a healthy dog. Ensuring your dog's emotional well-being is crucial for their overall health and longevity. Spend quality one-on-one time with your dog daily. Maintain a consistent routine to provide a sense of security. Use positive reinforcement techniques to build trust and confidence. As mentioned earlier, dogs who eat less tend to live longer. The 2011 study showed that dogs on a restricted calorie diet lived an average of 2 years longer than those fed more. This supports the idea that a healthy weight contributes to longevity and reduces the risk of heart disease and joint problems. The quality of the food you feed your dog matters. Avoid generic meat byproducts, sugars, excess sodium, and unnecessary fillers. Look for whole ingredients and responsible sourcing practices to ensure your dog's health. Exercise is a key component to prolonging your dog's life. It helps maintain a healthy weight, improves cardiovascular health, and reduces stress. Additionally, exercise benefits you too, making it a win-win situation. Socialization with other dogs and people reduces stress and improves overall quality of life. Keeping your dog mentally stimulated with training, games, and enrichment activities can extend their life and keep them happy. Regular brushing, providing chew toys and dental treats, and annual vet checkups are essential for maintaining your dog's oral health. Good dental hygiene can prevent serious health issues like heart disease and organ damage. Even if your dog is healthy, regular vet visits are crucial. Annual checkups maintain optimal health and provide a record of your dog's health history, allowing potential problems to be detected early. Ensure your dog's emotional well-being by spending quality time, maintaining a consistent routine, and using positive reinforcement. A happy dog is a healthy dog, and emotional health is just as important as physical health. The sad fact of dog parenthood is that people outlive pets, and there are no miracle products that will extend your dog's life far beyond the natural lifespan of their breed. However, with conscientious care, enrichment, and regular veterinary attention, you may be able to give your dog a few extra years of happiness. Your time together is precious, so maintain healthy habits, keep your dog active in body and mind, and savor every minute. By following these tips, you can ensure your dog lives a long, happy life by your side. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the world of dog care. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on keeping your furry friends healthy and happy. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of our natural world.